Mix eggs with Oreos and the result will surprise everyone. To begin our recipe, we'll put in the blender 3 eggs and 13 ounces of Oreo. Let's add half a cup of oil, 1 cup of milk, and let's blend the ingredients. We'll move it to a bowl. Add half a cup of sugar, half a cup of flour, and we'll mix. Then let's add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. In a baking pan, greased with butter and flour, we'll pour the batter. Let's leave it in the oven preheated at 400 Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. And our cake is ready! So delicious! I'm sure everyone in your house will love it. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you next time. Bye bye!